Hi, buddy. Sure hope you had a great Monday. Got back to it and the swing of things. There's some normalcy after a nice holiday weekend. Now, as we head off to bed tonight, things are nice, still, and warm outside, but it's going to stay on the warmer side overnight tonight. Actually, here are your weather headlines. It's going to be very warm, actually, as we get started on our Tuesday morning with low temperatures dropping down to the 70s. Excessive heat continues through Wednesday. Then we'll see a little break in those excessive temperatures, but we'll also see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms heading our way. So your out-the-door forecast on Tuesday morning, it's going to be warm and muggy. We're starting off in the 70s. We'll quickly climb into the upper 80s as we get into the lunch hour. And our goal is going to be a little bit hotter on Tuesday than what it was on Monday. Similar to what we had on the 4th of July. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 90s, but we have a lot more humidity, and that's going to lead to heat index values well over 100 degrees. And so with that said, the National Weather Service has been talking about the possibility of a heat advisory across the Southern Valley, so we'll keep you posted on that. Make sure you check back in for Wake Up with Witcher. Starts at 7 o'clock in the morning, Monday through Friday, for a live weather update. We talk about traffic, although it's summertime. There's not been a lot of traffic. And then we talk about holidays and events going on around East Tennessee, so join us for the conversation, fun, and, of course, your forecast. Here's your Tuesday forecast, by the way, because we are going to see that southwesterly flow. We have a lot more moisture in the atmosphere. We're going to heat up the air. And as we do so, we'll see some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. I don't think it's going to add up to a whole lot. We desperately need it. National Weather Service is talking about the fact, and the Climate Prediction Center anyways, that over the next couple of weeks, the drought will continue to worsen around East Tennessee. So while we'll see some rain showers throughout the day on Tuesday, we'll see a little bit more on Wednesday thanks to our storm system, Beryl, that's continuing to work its way up towards the Great Lakes. And you can see how the latest information with Beryl, most of the moisture is going to be well off to our west. Now we'll see that influx of humidity, but I just don't think that we're going to see a lot of thunderstorm activity associated with that, or a lot of rain, a lot of much needed rain. That would be tropical moisture. We could desperately need that moisture right about now, but you can see it's really not going to produce a whole lot. Actually, on the backside of that, we'll get a little bit of drier air to set up shop and roll its way on into the area. So when you look at our rainfall forecast all the way through Wednesday, you can see how it's going to pile up a little bit around the region, but the bullseye for heaviest rain associated with Beryl is going to be off to our west. Dew points coming on down, back behind that frontal boundary. Listen, 67 degrees for a dew point compared to 75. I'll take it any day of the summer. It's much more comfortable. So with that said, Tuesday, dew points are going to be high. Heat index are going to be on the high side, but they start to be shaved off as we get into our Wednesday, Thursday time frame. Thursday is probably going to be the best day over the next 7 days because as we wrap up the weekend, head into the weekend, here comes more heat and more humidity that's going to work its way back into the area. So elevated rain chances Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we'll see those rain chances, maybe just a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms Thursday through the upcoming weekend. Another great pool and lake weather on the way. That's pretty much the only way, or stay inside, that you can stay cool anyways. Like I said, Thursday is probably going to be the best day. Lower humidity, lower temperatures, and then we'll climb back into the 90s as we get into the weekend and the start of next week. Low temperatures will stay at or just above average. The warmest mornings will be tomorrow. Will be Tuesday and Wednesday morning, I should say. And then we'll stay pretty average for those morning lows Thursday through Monday, thanks to a little bit of drier air settling on in. So again, Wake Up with Witcher starts at 7 o'clock in the morning. For a live weather update, you can check in online with the East Tennessee Weather app, online at easttnweather.com, or all social media, Roku TV, Amazon Fire, as well as YouTube. I'm always available on YouTube as well, so go check it out. Speaking of which, as we look ahead, the Climate Prediction Center, as I mentioned, is talking about the drought conditions worsening around the area, and the possibility of that is above average temperatures and dry weather conditions. Really not looking at much in the way of rainfall all the way through the 18th or maybe even the 22nd. Maybe a little bit of an uptick in some rainfall, but we sure could use it right about now. So have a great night. Sleep well tonight, and I hope to see you for Wake Up with Witcher starting at 7 o'clock in the morning. Have a great night.